Excuse me, sir. What are you doing there? I said what you doing.
Watching the children.
Uh-huh. Let me have some ID, sir.
I was looking at the children.
Sir, turn around. Put your hands on the fence, please.
Why are you doing this?
Lean forward. Put your hands on the fence, please. Turn around. Hands on the fence.
What are you doing?
I'm taking your wallet out of your back pocket to check your identification, sir.
15 Adam Essential K. I need a name check. Adam, Rachel, Robert, Adam.
Is this the man you reported?
I wasn't the one who saw him.
Where do you live, sir? Please stay where you are. Do you live or do you have business in this neighborhood, sir?
Everything's fine. Going back inside.
Beth?
Are you the one who reported this?
Adam, what's going on?
You know this man?
Yeah, he's my neighbor. What happened?
15 Adam, Reiki, R-A-K-I, no hits.
He's clean.
All right. Sorry about that. Can't be too careful with kids, right? You can go.
Adam! So you live alone?
Yes.
I mean, it's big for one person.
Father lived here too.
Oh, where is he now?
Queens.
Queens.
He died 6 weeks ago.
Oh, God, I'm so sorry.
My friend Harlan says Queens is where everybody goes to die because they can't tell the difference.
It's awful.
Harlan said it was a joke.
Oh, I meant about your father. What about your mother?
She died when I was 8.
I'm so sorry. Had a really nice time last night in the park.
My brain works differently from NTs.
NTs?
Neurotypicals. Sometimes I can't understand them, especially when they mean something different from what they're actually saying.
You don't do that?
Most Aspies are really honest. Psychologists think it's a lack of imagination, but psychologists are mostly NTs. Albert Einstein, Thomas Jefferson, Mozart, they all had lots of imagination.
They had Asperger's?
Probably.
I understand. It's okay. I really should go.
Okay.
I'm really sorry about your father.
Can I see you again?
Well, I'm right upstairs, so.
Great, okay. I'll see you.
I'm so sorry. I just don't feel like any company tonight.
Oh, that's okay. Come out with me. I want to show you something.
Adam, the park's closed.
Just a little bit further.
I want to go back. I'm not.
Over here.
Raccoon in Central Park? That was so cool. What are they doing here?
Foraging.
How did you know where they'd be?
They live here. I used to come and watch them a lot. It's quiet. They don't really belong here, you know, but here they are. They're coming back around in a little while. You want to wait?